going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. Gotta go install some rocks around some trees for a customer. So we'll go to Home Depot today and go pick up some things like that for the customer. It's been a long time, y'all. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So we'll go to Home Depot together today, guys, and we'll pick up those rocks, and I'll show y'all the trees that we're gonna put around. And also eventually we're just gonna do little by little, go all the way around the house and eventually the flower bed as well. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll let y'all know how that's going. All right, peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Here are the rocks that the customer wants. Man, them things ain't cheap, boy. Whew. $10.98. They want the natural Dorado River Rocks. So it's all I see. So I guess I'll just grab all these and we'll go from there. All right, y'all. We got 12 bags loaded up. 3 across, 4 high. So here we go. See how heavy this thing gonna be. Remember, always put your cart back where you got it from. It's easier for the people that work here, trust me. I know how it is. Y'all, we just arrived. So the problem is we want to get these right rocks up out of here and put the new rocks down. We go to the other tree right here as well. Also got to spray the weeds too, y'all, so always make sure you spray the weeds out before you put rocks down. All right, let's get to it. Y'all, this is what we got so far. Right here, I need to go get probably like another couple more bags. It took 12 bags just to fill that little area up. So you can see where I need to fill in right up in that area. I went from that, or from this, so that's what it was. I'm trying to get that to this to look like that. So yeah, it's a lot of work, y'all. All right, y'all, we just finished with this one, both sides. So we got this one done and that one done. So looking good, y'all. Customer happy. You know, I already done started mowing yards this year already. You know, I pretty much do year-round service, so like I say, neighbors are always looking. I done been stopped twice already, asking can I come give somebody a quote for doing landscaping work for them. So you can see I gotta go all the way around the house. So far we just did the trees, but we gotta go all the way around the house, and that's gonna be another big job. So we're just doing it little by little. Very good customer. You know, I hear some people say they want like 100 customers, 60 customers, 90 customers. with me, you know, I have a good solid 30 customers, but I do everything for them. So that means shrubs, that means pruning trees, that means spraying weeds, mulch, pine straw, rocks, throwing out grass seeds, throwing out fertilizer. You know, those are the type of customers you want, customers that'll let you just have whatever you want to do to their yard and you just go for it, you know. And those are the ones that will always be loyal, you loyal to them. And they just like a schedule too, you know. Sometimes when it rains, like I have my clients on Wednesday and my big yards on Thursday, and I come the next day or 2 days ago by, they're like, hey, where you at, yeah, we know it rained. Like, hey, you know it rained, I'll be there, you know, for the very next day. But they just used to seeing that consistency. So that's the biggest thing. Everybody's always be consistent with your customers. And you don't even have to text or call them and let them know you're on your way, because they know the routine. They know they're gonna be there. They know you're gonna be there, and it's gonna get taken care of. And you know, when they trust you, they always pay on time. All customers I have don't have the credit card on file. They pay Cash App, PayPal. Some of them leave me cash for a bonus, you know, just saying thank you. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Holla.